This is incredible.
Good morning. It is 6 a.m. here in Melbourne. I am eating my tasty breakfast. I'm having oats with yogurt and strawberries. And today we are going to be doing a kiln unloading of all of the strawberry things in preparation for the spring and summer market season. This is one of the first bowls that I threw on the wheel. It's like blue and it's really hard to see in this light, but it's blue. And these were supposed to be green, and the colour burnt out in the kiln. So I've kept it ever since, but it's always been a nice reminder to me of my beginning of wheel throwing. Okay, enough of me talking. Let's get into the video.
Hey, we're going to unstack the kiln.
I do fire the butter dishes upside down, and there are some things that I fire upside down and I leave the rim unglazed. So the butter dishes is one of them, and also the coffee pourers, which I don't think I have a video of those in. And sometimes planters, like hanging planters, I fire upside down. So I glaze the bottom and then I fire them turned up so they're sitting on their rim in the kiln.
Oh my gosh, this turned out so cute. I just pulled this one out and it's amazing. So this one is a test that I did for Chrysanthos colour. They are so lovely. They've come to my stall a few times to introduce themselves, and I've been using their products for ages, specifically their underglaze pencils and underglaze colours. So this red that I've got, strawberries, is their Rocket Red. They bought me a sample of their crayons, which are a new product, and I'm going to test some more of them out. But this is my first little test. So it was like a dark blue crayon that I drew onto the vase. I've got a cup in here as well that I will also show you.
Okay, so the kiln shelves are gross at the moment. If you're a ceramicist and you see my kiln shelves in this video, they are beyond yucky. The reason for that is because I am really lazy with my kiln shelves and I don't often get anything on them, and generally what happens is all my kiln wash just like builds up and then flakes off. So they look really patchy. I am going to give them a revamp soon. I have just been, you know what happens. Just gets all out of, they're low priority for me a lot of the time because I don't have a lot of drips, and I almost wish I never used kiln wash on those shelves. I think next time when I buy new furniture for my kiln, I'm actually going to not use kiln wash because I don't use drippy glazes and I never get anything on them. So yeah.
Oh my god, I'm obsessed with this. Wow. So nice. More strawberries. Just go a bit faster because they feel all the same. So many things.
I've really been loving getting up early in the mornings. I feel so productive and I think that's my thing. So now that I'm getting up in the morning, I'm doing so much. I have been wheel throwing in the morning and also glazing and getting the kiln going. So it's been really nice waking up early. So most days I wake up at about 5 a.m. now, even on work days, and sometimes I can get some pottery stuff done in the in-between time. So that's really fantastic.
Incredible. This is it. Very nice. Very happy. Going to need to bisque some stuff so I can actually do some tests. All right. Oh my God. So there's a bunch more stuff here that is, still needs to be pulled out. There's no room here. I'm working on this tiny little shelf. This is incredible. I can't even deal with this. So I've got a bit of stuff that I'm gonna have to fire. I'm gonna have to do a bisque first. So I'm not doing this test today. I'm gonna have a little bit more of a think about what designs I wanna do. The chrysanthemums. This is the dark blue crayon. All fired, and this was to cone 6. So 1223 or something, 1228. It's amazing, oh my God. So cool.
Archie is finally awake. He's been sleeping in lately. That's a wrap. I hope you liked this unloading, and there'll be lots more to come over the summer. I'm really excited. I am actually going to go and unstack the kiln right now to get some more goodies out. So I will see you next time with a lot more underglaze content. If you are really wanting to learn how to use underglaze, please subscribe. It's my main thing. So I will be releasing a lot more content on underglaze and the different types that you can use and some different techniques that you can use with it as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.